We'll solve question number 35 of test series 1. This is a strength of material question. It can be also part of engineering mechanics. In this question, there are 6 fundamental methods of supporting beam shown, out of which we have to figure out how many are statically indeterminate. So before we solve the question, what is the meaning of statically indeterminate? A statically indeterminate beam is that beam for which we cannot get all the reactions using the equations of equilibrium alone. For a beam in 2D, we have 3 equations of static equilibrium. They are sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0, and sigma m is equal to 0. So these 3 equations can solve for 3 independent reactions. Hence, if the number of reactions is more than 3, then the beam is statically indeterminate. Now the cases are: case A, which is a simply supported beam. So there is a pin support and there is a roller support. Now the pin support provides 2 force reactions, one horizontal and one vertical, and the roller provides 1 vertical force reaction. Hence there are 3 independent unknown reactions which can be solved using these 3 equations. So this is a determinate beam. Now case B. Case B is a cantilever beam with an end load. Cantilever has a fixed support. So the fixed support provides 2 force reactions, one horizontal and one vertical, and 1 moment reaction. So there are 3 independent unknown reactions and there are 3 equations. So this is also determinate. Case C has a beam with only 1 roller support. This roller support will give only 1 vertical force reaction, and only 1 equation will be sufficient to solve it, and this is also determinate beam. Case D has a cantilever which is supported at the other end also. Now in this case there is a fixed support and there is a roller. The roller provides 1 vertical force reaction and the fixed support provides 1 vertical force reaction, 1 horizontal force reaction, and 1 moment reaction. So there are 4 unknowns and there are only 3 equations, as this is an indeterminate case. Case 5 has a beam which is supported by 1 pin and 2 rollers. Now the pin will provide 2 force reactions, 1 horizontal and 1 vertical, and the 2 rollers will provide 1 vertical reaction each. So there are totally 4 unknowns and there are only 3 equations. So this is an indeterminate beam. Finally, case F. Case F has a beam which is supported or which is fixed at both the ends. So each end provides 3 reactions, 2 force reactions and 1 moment reaction. So this has 6 independent unknowns and there are only 3 equations, hence this is also an indeterminate case. So the answer is option D, cases D, E and F.